welcome back to our channel where we talk all things finance and budgeting. Today, we're going to dive into a topic that many people struggle with, deciding whether to rent or buy a home. It's a big decision that can have a significant impact on your finances, so it's important to weigh the pros and cons carefully. In this video, we'll explore both options and help you make an informed decision. Let's start with the pros of renting. First and foremost, renting is often more affordable than buying. You don't have to worry about a down payment, closing costs, or property taxes. Plus, if something goes wrong with the property, it's usually the landlord's responsibility to fix it, not yours. Renting also offers more flexibility. You can move around more easily if you need to change jobs or want to experience living in different areas. Now, let's look at the pros of buying. One of the biggest advantages of buying a home is that it's an investment. As you pay off your mortgage, you're building equity in the property, which can be a valuable asset over time. You also have more control over the property when you own it. You can make changes and improvements as you see fit without having to get permission from a landlord. Of course, there are also cons to both options. When it comes to renting, you're essentially throwing money away every month on rent payments that don't build equity. You also have less control over the property and may have to deal with noisy neighbors or other issues that are out of your hands. On the other hand, buying a home comes with a lot of upfront costs and ongoing expenses like property taxes, maintenance, and repairs. If you're not financially prepared for these costs, it can quickly become overwhelming. So, how do you decide which option is right for you? The answer depends on your individual circumstances. If you're not ready to commit to a long-term investment and want more flexibility, renting might be the better option. On the other hand, if you're financially stable and ready to put down roots, buying a home can be a smart investment. Ultimately, the decision to rent or buy a home is a personal one that should be based on your financial situation, lifestyle, and long-term goals. We hope this video has helped you weigh the pros and cons of each option and make an informed decision. As always, thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more finance and budgeting tips.